India, we follow so many religions. No matter which religion and which part of India, north, south, east, west, or even central, gold is a very big part of our lives, of our religion. Even when Indian families would be low on resources, somehow they always manage to save up and have some gold with them. Gold is used as gifts and also pujas and donation during worship. This global pandemic we have witnessed has hit us in so many bad ways. We just have to find different ways of doing our things. So now you can continue buying 24 karat 999.9 pure gold, with the difference that you can buy it digitally. Buy real gold and have it delivered at your doorstep. Subscribe to my channel and find out how. In today's episode, I'm going to show two ways of buying gold, one through an app and one through website. One can go on the Upstox website and one can also use the Paytm app. When you type Paytm Gold, if your Paytm needs to be updated, you have to first update the Paytm. So this is the Paytm app. Once you click on Banking and Finance, then you click on Gold, it brings you to the Paytm Gold option and you can just buy and sell gold. There is no minimum amount. What is there to show? It's straightforward on Paytm, just like you buy and sell anything. Only thing is you have to give your house address. How is this happening? Paytm has partnered with the MMTC PAM. MMTC stands for Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation and Digital Gold India. So because of that, we are able to buy digital gold now of 24 karat 999.9 purity through Paytm as well. You can keep it stored on the Paytm store, or you can ask for the coins to be delivered at your doorstep. But the thing is, you have to have some transaction. There is no minimal amount. Some transaction every 6 months. Otherwise, your account can become invalid. And also the maximum time you can keep the gold in the Paytm store is 5 years. And you can't buy and sell the same day. You have to wait 5 days. Now, in order to overcome this limitation, I'll now take us to the other option, which is Upstox. So there are many options like Kuvera and others as well. Upstox is a very reliable option where you can where the limitations of the Paytm app are not there. So we can buy gold from Upstox, and it says very clearly, invest in gold starting from ₹1. So the price of gold is there. You can buy, you can even sell straight away. You don't need to go to any jeweler to ask that what rate the gold will be. You can sell it back to the same Upstox, and it's easy, stress-free, and all questions have been answered, that what prices would you buy and sell and everything, and it's as low as ₹1. Very, very safe and very, very secure. If you found information useful today about digital gold, take the first step. Invest in digital gold. If you would like me to share more such interesting tech update, subscribe to my channel Technology Traveler. See you soon.